Hi everybody, I'm having to do my explanation on my phone. Tried doing it on my computer won't work. I've done it 2 times on my computer and both times it has deleted all of my progress. Whole video. So here goes my explanation on hydrophilic and hydrophobic and their interaction with water. Hydrophilic, describing something as hydrophilic means that it tends to be attracted to water, or that it tends to easily dissolve in, mix with, absorb, or just be saturated by water. Example that I think of that would be like our shirts or clothes. They kind of get soaking wet, so they absorb the water. That's what I kind of think of when I think of that. Hydrophobic, when I kind of think of phobic, I kind of think of phobia, which means fear, hydro, which means water. So I kind of think of a fear of water, which is basically in this term exactly what it means. Hydrophobic substances do not dissolve in water. They repel water or are themselves repelled by water. So water must not like them either. Examples would be oils, greases, wax, steroids, alkanes, and fats. That's just what I gathered. What kind of characteristics do hydrophilic do they possess? Hydrophilic molecule or portion of a molecule is one whose interaction with water and other polar substances are more thermodynamically favorable than their reactions with oil or other hydrophobic solvents. They're typically charged, polarized, and capable of hydrogen bonding. Hydrophobic, what kind of characteristics do they possess? Hydrophobic substances are composed of nonpolar molecules that repel bodies of water, and they attract other neutral molecules and nonpolar solvents. So what does this mean about how the substances will interact with water if they were placed in a beaker? Well, what they are made of really affects how they interact with water. Hydrophilic materials will dissolve in it or soak it up, as I said before. The material and water will basically form a bond, also like I said before. Hydrophobic materials will repel water or the water will repel them, and it's like I said before, their material has a fear of water, so it's scared. So it doesn't really like the water, or the water doesn't really like them, so they don't really get along very well. It's not fairly simple. That's just kind of my explanation on it all, and thank you guys for listening and hearing me out.